Hey guys, welcome back. So I hope you're having a great day. Today's Wednesday. Riot yesterday provided their September numbers for their mining operations. So when we get into the numbers there, and then we'll do a deep dive on my numbers and projections and things like that. But as always, guys, this is just my own estimates. Do not use this as financial advice. Obviously, do your own research, right? So let's get into it here. All right. So Riot Blockchain announced September production and operation updates. Riot produces 406 Bitcoins in September, which is always good. Let's see here. So production and operations update in September 2021, Riot produced 406 BTC, an increase of approximately 346% over September 2020 of 91 BTC. Obviously, they didn't have as many miners installed at that time. They've been installing more and more miners as the time has gone by. So year to date through September 21, the company produced a total of 2,457 BTC, an increase of approximately 236 over its BTC production during the 2020 period of 731. So that's a nice, very, very, very nice increase in how much they've produced in BTC. But we're going to start seeing a trend here where the amount of BTC that they're producing is decreasing actually ever since we had the China miner exodus. So as of September 30th, 2021, Riot held approximately 3,534 BTC. I believe Hut has more than that. I believe Hut is like 4,000 something. We did a video on Hut yesterday, so I'm not great with numbers and remembering things, so I have to look back at things. But I believe it was over 4,000. So Hut has a larger HODL position than Riot right now does. The company currently has deployed a fleet of approximately 25,646 miners with a hash rate capacity of 2.6. So we'll look at my data, and this kind of matches up with what I have right now, and then we'll see what the pricing could be as well. What else do we have here? As part of the purchase of Bitmain Technologies Limited, shipments of 2,000 S19J Pro miners were shipped in late September to Riot so late. So we're going to put in low numbers for that mining possibility there because they were late September. So this will be for Q3, and we'll also look at Q4. And are expected to be deployed and once received by early November. Riot anticipates that it will have a total of 27,646 miners deployed, utilizing approximately 90 megawatts of energy, with an estimated hash rate of capacity of 2.8 exahash. Don't want to do that. 2.8 exahash. In early October 2021, another 4,000 S19J Pro miners are scheduled to be shipped from Bitmain's Malaysia factory. Obviously, they're talking about the global logistics issues are impacting some miner shipment schedules. Yeah, they're impacting everything. And while the company's impacts to date have been material, Riot remains in close communication with Bitmain and logistics providers working to mitigate delays where possible. Yeah, good luck with that. You're not getting ahead of the line of anybody else on the shipments. Ports are just blocked right now. So obviously, it's still all good. They're not getting the miners as soon as they thought, which is okay, but at least they're still getting them. So let's take a look at the numbers here. So Riot Blockchain, obviously, these are the miners, the ones here in green right now. These are the ones that are installed, I believe, in this quarter, which are Q3. So that's July, August, September. And we're using the settings like I did before with going by the quarters. So April through, let me see here. January through March, we had Bitcoin hash rate at about 157 million, right? We had the start hash rate, end hash rate, and then the high hash rate, then we're doing the average of those. And the current Bitcoin price at the close of March. And then we did the same thing for April, July, and then October to December. We just don't know yet because we're not in December yet. So we're just using the numbers from the beginning of October right now to kind of give us some idea as to where things might be. All right, so let's get back into Riot quarters here. So Q1, Riot provided that they made roughly 23 million, 23.1 million, 23.2 million roughly. The EPS would be, gross EPS is 24 cents, and their actual net EPS was 9 cents. And then based on that, we calculated that all of these miners here were being run at the time, which was 3,000, 1,000, and 8,000. So they were at 15,000 miners roughly running. And these were probably installed late, I'm guessing, in March, because we only came up with running those at 0.69 out of the 3 months. So then as we go into the second quarter they provided that they made 34.3 million roughly. So gross EPS was at 36 cents, net actual was at 22 cents. So there was a lot better margin. It looks like they had a 61% margin here. They had a 37 here, so there was an increase in margin on that. And the price obviously went down 33,000 compared to 58,000 on BTC, but they did have more miners installed, which kind of helped out. So we can see this. I'm not going to be able. It was basically here. So it was these miners here, which would be, how many miners is that? So it's these miners down here. So we're looking at a total of 20,000 miners in the second quarter installed, which is a good increase. So they got about 5,000 more miners installed. And then for Q3 here, we're using the price for Bitcoin at 48,000. And these are the miners that I'm looking to, that they're probably installed right now. In order to make the numbers work, I think they had, different tranches of these installed. But this is what I'm showing here as the mining, and it came out to be total 65,287,000 roughly, EPS of 68 cents. And here's how I came up with that. July, they provided that they mined 441 BTC, August 441, September 406. So you're seeing a trend here where it's, even though they're getting more miners in, their mining capacity is going down, or the amount that they're generating of Bitcoin, because the hash rate has been increasing. Miners have been coming back online, moving from China possibly, or more than likely. And obviously that's causing the hash rate to go up, meaning you're going to be getting less. So they mined a total of 1,291 BTC in the 3 months here. At the current price, where Bitcoin ended up at for the September price was 48,164 roughly. So we're looking at 62 million roughly in BTC generation alone. So if we take that, add the hosting to it, we're coming up with 65 million. So even though they're mining less each time, they're actually making more, because obviously Bitcoin price has gone up from 33,000 here at the end of June to 48,000 at the end of September. So that's a great increase. Obviously it's helping them out a lot. So we're getting an EPS of 68 cents. We don't know what the actual one is, but if we follow the same dynamics here as maybe 60 cents, roughly, we're looking at 44 cents could be the EPS on Riot, earnings per share. And then based on the information that we found in the release, this is basically what I came up with, what they possibly could be mining here in Q4. Which is all of these miners up to here. So that would be, here we go back here, and that would be its total of possibly 37,000 miners, possibly, if all things go well. By the end of the quarter here, we'll have to keep an eye on it, obviously, see when things actually get put in. So we'll look for the updates for October, November, and then they'll kind of give us a better idea as far as what the earnings per share could be. But based on just this simple information we have here, we're looking at possibly 89,000 or 89 million if Bitcoin stays at the current price it's at. And then the EPS for the gross would be 93 cents. And then the actual, if it's at 60% of that, would be probably closer to, 66 cents roughly, closer to that. So things are looking good. Obviously, they need to get the miners installed. The faster they can do it, the better they are going to be. So here's my net income estimates. This is based on current quarter BTC price of 51,000. So that's based on where Bitcoin is right now for the fourth quarter, basically. And then we're adding the 3 previous quarters to this, plus the current last quarter, Q4, for a combined total of 212 million possible revenue generated in the 4 quarters. And then we're taking a 50% discount on that. So we're saying maybe net income would be 106 million. That would give us an earnings per share of $1.11 for the year. Price to earnings, a 20 multiple, that would give us a 22. And we can see that currently Riot is at 26.34, which gives us, well, I mean, to me at least, it looks like it's pretty well valued right now by shareholders and investors. But if the Bitcoin price goes up 2x, we're looking at a Bitcoin price of 102,000. And then obviously the EPS would be $1.57, and price to earnings would be 31.40. 3x, we're looking at $40 per stock per share, and then 4x would be $50 at around 50% net income margin. If we go up a little bit higher to 75, you're looking at 33, 47.10, 61.05, and $75 per share, depending on where their net gross margin is. Right now, it is just a little too hard to tell. But that's it. That's all I got for you guys. I mean, the numbers are looking good. I think, like I said before, I think Riot is pretty well valued right now by shareholders. I know there's a lot of institutional buyers in it as well, funds that own it as well. So I think that's why it's pretty well valued right now. And based on my estimates, I mean, there's obviously upside potential. You're looking at maybe, 100% increase in price if Bitcoin goes up 4x. It just all depends. Well, you're looking at 100% to, what is that? You're at 25 to 75 to 300%. So there is a lot of increase still left. Depending on where Bitcoin goes this year, a lot of people are saying it's going to go up to 100,000, maybe even as high as 288,000. So we'll have to see. Obviously, we've broken the $50,000 mark on Bitcoin right now. And then why don't we just take a quick look at Riot Pre-Market, see what it's doing right now after reporting the news. So Riot is actually down 32 cents here on pre-market right now. It was up nicely $1.09 yesterday, but now it's down to 26.02 in the pre-market. And Bitcoin right now is at 51,215. So it is still obviously nicely up. We haven't reached our next resistance level, which is at 52,700. So once we reach that, we'll see if we can get above it or if we're going to fall a little bit below, just to kind of take a breath here. But last time we took a breath here, we had 3 days of going up. So maybe if we take a breath today, we'll have another 3 days going back up. So we'll have to see how that turns out. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Really good numbers by Riot. Happy to see them installing the miners and everything. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it. All right, that's all I got. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.